It's called Ginataan, and it's made with coconut milk. Coconut milk in Tagalog is gata. And I brought two types. If you're on a diet, you use the light. Or just the regular coconut milk. And then we have the jackfruit also. I believe HEB has the jackfruit right now. Yes, it's big, green, and spiny, and you can smell the aroma as you go by. You can use that, but it's so time-consuming. So we just use this.
When you buy a raw one,
Pearls also. This is made from the yucca. But you have to soak it overnight. So this has been soaking since last night. So we're going to use the tapioca pearls, the coconut milk, the jackfruit, and the sweet potato and the purple potato. I usually cook the purple potato separate because if you put it in the coconut milk, it turns purple. So we need to cut this 1/4 inch slices. This we will go ahead and put in the coconut milk.
Add your coconut milk to a pot.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to simmer the coconut milk and put the potatoes in there.
How long?
Oh, probably 5 to 10 minutes. We need to taste it to see if they're ready. It's separate because it's so pretty with the white coconut milk.
You're cooking sweet potatoes and purple yams that are Japanese, and you don't want to cook them together or the milk gets discolored or turns purple. So cook each of your potatoes separately.
Adding tapioca pearls. This is made from the yucca plant.
And you're adding this to the coconut milk and the sweet potatoes.
Right.
And over here we have the purple Japanese potatoes that are cooking.
That's
And
why
how
I
long do
want
you
it to
cook
be
that for,
purple.
Nora?
This one, which one?
The tapioca.
Oh, this is probably a total of 15 minutes at most.
The reason it only takes about 15 minutes to simmer in the coconut milk mixture is because Nora soaked them overnight. So it takes less time to cook when you soak your tapioca pearls overnight. It only takes about 15 minutes to cook. So this is starting to come to a simmer, and as that is cooking, we have our purple Japanese sweet potatoes that are cooking. This is the syrup from the fruit that we're adding.
Yes.
Is this jackfruit?
Jackfruit.
Yes, this is the syrup from the canned jackfruit that we're adding to add a little more sweetness. The coconut milk and the tapioca has been cooking for about 15 minutes. You're going to add your canned sliced jackfruit to the coconut milk mixture. And then you're going to also add your banana, but it's a special banana. What kind of banana is that, Nora?
Well, it's similar to the saba banana, but I can't get it here. So you can use plantain bananas, but I really don't like them as much because they're not ripe when they're harvested. We're adding the purple potato, which we cook separately.
Now you want to stir this. It's like confetti.
Taste it and see.